How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet. And this week we have the Elite Cottage 105. What makes the Elite Cottage 105 stand out from the rest is the attention to detail and quality. As you can see right here, it starts in the living area. The attention to detail on the trim, the stained trim looks like a residential site-built custom home. Even to the clerestory windows up top, the nice prismatic window up above going out to the porch, and we have the wood beams going throughout the home as well. For those looking for a cabin feel but don't want it to be so rustic and cabiny, this is the way to do it because it is a mix of contemporary and cabin all in one. It's the best of both worlds. And with this area, you'll see we have a nice living space here for a small couch. We also have a extension right here on the bar, so you can have some stools here and greet your guests with a nice meal if you needed to. And the one thing you get in the Elite Cottage 105 is countertop and storage space. That is huge when it comes to a tiny home. As you can see, we have all kinds of countertop space here with the HD laminate. We also got the mosaic backsplash, the window up above the white apron farm sink, and look at these cabinets. These are great, nice tall wood cabinets here. And we've got, even down to the detail, spice racks. Stuff that you would see in a site-built home you're getting here in your tiny home. We went with white appliances in this model just to give it a nice pop in contrast from the darker woods. And going from this area, you'll see we have a flow into the midsection of the home, which has space for a stackable washing machine and dryer and a designated workspace. Where do you get that in a tiny home? In the Elite Cottage 105 is where you do. This can be a great area for studying, for working on your laptop. You have storage here as well, and a window across. Now, directly across from the desk is the bathroom. You come in right here, and you can't tell me that this shower is not nicer than most homes. This is where it's at. Mosaic strip going throughout, the nice tile shower, and we got the rain shower faucet here with the splash glass. So when you let that rain fall down on you, you ain't gotta worry about it going out onto the floor. The glass is gonna help it. You got your knobs right here, you flip those on and you are good to go. You step right out of here and you come back to the master. And you'll see here, more storage. We've got cabinets here on each side for clothes. We've got drawers down below, cabinets here in the center. And when we came with the Elite Cottage 105, we were thinking of the guy or girl out there that is looking for a large TV to put in their master, where you sit in bed and feel like you at the movie theater. This is where you can do it at. You put that right there and you are good to go. And where your bed would sit, right now this is comparable for a queen. Goes right in between here. You have nightstands on each side and additional storage space up above. Again, staying with the clerestory windows and wood beams from front to back of this home. That adds the character right there. A great window here, wood blinds, and again, what do we always do here at Recreational Resort Cottages? Cover up the stuff that you don't want to see. You don't want to look at that. You want to look at this. So put that right there, you're good to go. Now you guys follow me back through, and I'll show you why this is the park model tiny home that you need to get. You'll see when you come back and look at all this. Look at this natural light coming through here. It feels like a vacation in your tiny home. That's what it feels like. This is a home right now that we have at Recreational Resort Cottages. The Elite Cottage 105 is on sale now, as we speak, for $68,000. You guys come in, You come to Recreational Resort Cottages, you ask for Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and ask me how I can make your tiny home dreams come true with this home. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the videos, watch our virtual tours, or give us a call at any time. And I'll see you guys next Tiny Home Tuesday.